So here we have the Ford Focus on an 18 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's what we're seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, we have the speedometer. At the bottom in the middle, we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges, and then above that, a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information displayed there for various bits of individual trip computer information, or you can have these 4 bits of information displayed simultaneously, and then we're back round to where we started. And the buttons to do that are on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. Just beneath that to the left, we have the total miles for this car, which are 22,972. So say the buttons I was using just a moment ago are here. Beneath that, we have cruise control and speed limiter. Over on the right-hand side, we have stereo and phone controls, including voice activation for your phone. You'll only be able to use that after such time as you pair the phone up, which is done over on the touchscreen just here. Hit add device.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select once it is found.
And then follow the instructions on screen from there. If we go back one step, you can see this car's got satellite navigation. Lovely colour display, very, very easy system to use. And then audio-wise, we've got AM, FM and DAB digital radio, as well as a CD player. We have Bluetooth audio as well, so you can stream your music wirelessly. And we have 2 separate USB inputs in this car as well. So if you plug devices into those, they'll appear up on here as further options. Working our way down, we have the CD player and the main volume for the stereo. We then have dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. When you're happy with that, you can determine where you'd like the air to be distributed. That button turns your air conditioning on. Same button again will turn it off. Or hit auto, and the car will now maintain the temperature you've asked for, or temperatures, by taking full control of the fan speed and the direction of the air for you. Any manual adjustment will override auto, as you can see. We have a proper heated rear and heated front screen as well. Below that, we have USB input, a 12-volt charging socket, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, and then this button just here. This turns off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is now turned off. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Mach 1 Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.